This over here is a block of paneer, and paneer is an essential pillar in Indian cooking and is the alternative when it comes to vegetarians. Paneer is the chicken of the veg world in India. And I'm going to show you how to make it. It's super simple. Just get your milk. I'm using 4 liters of whole milk here. You need the whole milk, you need the fats to get some nice, rich, creamy paneer. That's just heating up, and you want to heat that up right below the milk's boiling point. And keep that lid on, it's really going to help keep the heat in the pot and get to our goal temperature faster. You know what made boiling the milk and getting it to this stage so much easier and remove all the guesswork? Using my Typher dual probe thermometer. While it is intended for meat, I just dumped one of the probes in that pot. It can easily withstand the heat and it's not dangerous at all. And I just got notifications on my phone, or I could look at the meter over here to see where the milk's temperature was at. And once you get there, this will be the light, creamy, thick texture that you will notice. Make sure you don't let the milk boil over. That's going to be a big mess. Keep an eye out for it. But now is a good time to curdle the milk. And while I'm using lime juice, you can also use vinegar or buttermilk. I've made it with buttermilk in the past, but never really with vinegar, but it's the same exact process, and you can see the different ratios on the website and the full recipe linked down below. As soon as you add it, the milk will start to curdle. Just gently stir, collect the curds, and once the whey, the white watery part of the milk has separated and the curds are separated, put the pot aside, keep the lid on, and just let it sit for about 10 minutes. That is gonna help get any remaining curds to form and separate. Then it's a matter of draining it, and I'm gonna use some cheesecloth, drain it very carefully over the cheesecloth. I'm gonna add another layer of it actually to help wrapping it up much easier. Then try to squeeze out as much of that water as you can, because we want it to be a hard cheese that can easily be cooked with, sauteed, deep fried, broiled. And once you have squeezed out most of the water, place it over a plate or a baking sheet and then apply some pressure over the top. I really like to use my cast iron burger press on this. Put the pressure on, let the water squeeze, cover it up, and keep the weight on for a couple of hours in the refrigeration so that any excess water comes right out and you get some nice solid blocks of paneer. I am making this for a homemade paneer tikka recipe, so be sure to stay tuned, hit subscribe to see that. And this paneer right over here is just perfect. Living in Canada, I just don't have easy access to fresh paneer from the store, and getting it pre-made, pre-packaged is never the same as what I'm expecting when it comes to something delicious and special like paneer tikka. I'll see you on the next one.